You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, bed liner, lane keeping assist, keyless start, four-wheel drive. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.